What's up, guys? Brother and sister gaming here, and today we are going to be showing you how to live stream on your tablet, Android, any Android device. Okay, so first you want to sign into your account right here. Now, what you want to do is press this arrow. No, I can't do it right now. So what can I do? So all you have to do is press that arrow, and then it gives you some options to stream or record. Right now I'm recording, so I can't stream, but I will stream probably after this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so first you wanna click the arrow and then choose stream or record. If you wanna live stream, then press live stream, and if you want it to go like fast, then you want to press 720p or 4. But if your connection is not that like good and it's horrible like mine, you pick 420p, and then so you have to press next, and I think it gives you the
in this matchup that most would have expected to go in the favor of TS.
The name, like you can name your own stream or video. So first, name your stream, and then do a the description, and then press next. And now I think it goes to the main screen. I think it goes to the main screen where you can stream. So if you want to make your picture, your profile picture smaller, do a face cam. And if you want to make it bigger, go to the gear right here, and then swipe it up, and then there you go. And if you want face cam, press the camera, and then there you go. And then click the start stream button, and then now you'll be streaming, and it will count down, and then you'll be streaming. So hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.